Hi everybody. I want to tell you about starfish. Alright, let's learn about a very unique and fascinating creature, the starfish. Imagine you're swimming at the beach and looking at the seabed. Sometimes you might see something that looks like a star in the sky. Well, that's a starfish. But remember, this starfish isn't a real star that shines at night, it's a sea animal that lives underwater. What is a starfish? A starfish is a sea animal that looks like a star. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some can have more. Its unique shape, starfish have a very distinctive shape, like a star with 5 or more arms extending from a central body. Some types of starfish even have many, many arms. It's this star-like shape that gives them their name. Do starfish have eyes? They don't have eyes like humans, but they can sense light at the tip of each arm. Moving with tiny feet, guess how starfish move on the seabed? They don't have fins like fish. On the underside of each arm, there are lots of tiny feet called tube feet. These tube feet work like little suction cups. They can extend and retract their tube feet to stick to surfaces and move slowly over sand or rocks. Their movement is slow but steady. What do starfish eat? Starfish like to eat clams, snails, and other small sea animals. They have a special way of eating. They can push their stomachs out to digest food. Eating in a strange way. The way starfish eat is also very interesting, even a little strange. Most starfish are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. Their favorite foods include clams, oysters, and other small sea creatures. When a starfish finds food, it can push its stomach out of its body. This stomach will wrap around the food and digest it outside the body. Once it's done, the stomach is pulled back inside. Wow, that's amazing. Starfish can grow new arms. If a starfish loses one of its arms, it can grow it back. How cool is that? Can regrow lost arms. This is the coolest ability of starfish. If a starfish loses one of its arms because another animal tries to eat it or due to an accident, they can grow that arm back. In fact, some types of starfish can even grow into a whole new starfish from just one detached arm, as long as that arm has a part of the central body attached. That's incredible, isn't it? Where do starfish live? Starfish live in the ocean, usually on the sea floor, around rocks or coral reefs. They can't live in fresh water, only in salt water. Living in the sea, starfish live in various types of marine environments all over the world, from shallow waters near the shore to the very deep sea. They can be found on colorful coral reefs, on soft sandy bottoms, or among rough rocks. So, next time you hear about a starfish, remember this star-shaped sea animal that moves with tiny feet, has a unique way of eating, and can regrow its lost arms. They are one of the wonders of our oceans. Thank you for attention.